Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. You know that one thing that always seems to trip up new employees? Getting your universal account number, or UAN. Well, today, we're going to show you how to get it done in just a few minutes, right from your phone.
All right, let's just dive right in, shall we? You want to create your UAN number easily from the comfort of your own home? I mean, who wouldn't, right? The great news is, it is way simpler than you probably think.
Okay, so before we jump into the how-to, let's talk for a second about the why. I know the UAN can feel like this big, mysterious first step, but trust me, it's the absolute key to unlocking and managing your Employee Provident Fund, or EPF.
You can kind of think of your UAN as a financial fingerprint for your entire career. Seriously, it's this one-of-a-kind 12-digit number that sticks with you no matter where you work. All your different PF accounts, they all get linked right to this single number, which at the end of the day puts you back in the driver's seat.
So the big question is, how do we get our hands on this super important number without all the usual headaches? Well, the answer is actually a single government app that just slices right through all that complexity. Let's introduce the hero of our story today, the UMANG app.
And honestly, this is the best part. You don't have to make a special trip to some government office or wait around for your employer to handle it. The tool you need to get this whole thing done, it's probably already in your pocket or sitting on your desk right now.
So what is UMANG? It stands for Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance, which is a mouthful, I know. Basically, think of it as a super app, a one-stop shop for all kinds of government services. And you can just grab it for free right from the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the Apple App Store if you've got an iPhone.
Okay, you ready? Let's get to the real meat of this explainer, the actual steps. And I promise, this isn't some long, drawn-out process. We're literally talking about 6 simple taps to go from 0 to having your UAN. But wait, before we dive in, just a quick pro tip for you. Go ahead and have your Aadhaar number ready. This is the one piece of info you'll absolutely need to make this whole thing go smoothly. You got it? Awesome!
All right, here we go. Let's walk through this together. First, download and open up that UMANG app. Next, you'll do a super quick registration with your mobile number. They'll zap you a one-time password, an OTP, to log in. Once you're in, just hop over to the search bar and type in EPFO and tap on that service. Then, you're going to see an option that says UAN allocation for employees. Yep, that's the one you want. And here's where that Aadhaar number comes into play. You'll enter it, verify it with another OTP that gets sent to your linked phone, and then just fill in a couple of basic personal details. And finally, the last step, just hit submit. And that's literally it. Let's take a closer look at that 5th step, because it's really the most important one. It's designed to be so simple. You can see the instructions are crystal clear in both English and Hindi. As long as you have your Aadhaar number and your basic info like your name and date of birth, you're totally good to go.
And right after you tap that submit button, well, you get to the absolute best part of this whole thing. It's that instant aha moment of success. And boom, just like that, there it is. The system instantly generates your unique 12-digit UAN and puts it right there on your screen. No waiting around, no need to follow up with anyone. You are officially in the system. How cool is that? And the app gives you this really simple, super satisfying confirmation message. In English, it says, "That's it, your UAN is ready." And in Hindi, "Bas, aapka UAN taiyar hai." It's just a clear, direct signal that you did it. Now, the final piece of advice the app gives you is probably the most important of all. It just says, save it for future use. Seriously, take a screenshot, write it down, email it to yourself. Whatever you need to do, just keep this number somewhere safe. It's your key to your PF for your entire working life. So, there you have it. Generating your UAN. A task that used to feel so complicated is now something you can knock out in a few minutes from your couch. And that kind of leaves us with one last thought, doesn't it? What other government task do you wish could be this simple?